We're going to discuss about operating systems, specifically Linux, Mac, and Mobile OS. Let's start with Linux. Linux is an open-source, independently developed operating system which is compatible with Unix commands. Android and many OS distributions rely upon the Linux kernel, which is the main component of a Linux OS. Two file systems used on most Linux operating systems are ext3, which is a 64-bit file system with support from journaling, and ext4, which delivers significantly better performance than ext3. Linux OS are used in embedded systems, wearable devices, smartwatches, cell phones, PCs, servers, and supercomputers. In Linux, the user can communicate with the OS by using the command line interface. A program called shell interprets the commands from the keyboard and then passes them to the operating system. Ubuntu Linux includes a disk utility called disks, where users can perform the most common disk-related tasks including partition management, mount or unmount, and format disks. Linux does not have a built-in backup tool. However, there are many commercial and open-source backup solutions like Bacula and Amanda. The graphical interface in Linux is comprised of subsystems that can also be removed or replaced by the user. Launcher is the dock placed on the left side of the screen that serves as application launcher and switcher. The dash search box holds the search tool and the list of recently used applications. The top menu bar is a multi-purpose menu bar containing the currently running application, buttons to control the active window, and system controls and notifications. The system and notification menu includes many important functions that are located in the indicator menus at the top right corner of your screen. Use the indicator menu to switch users, shut down your computer, control the volume level, and change network settings. And lastly, Lenses allows the user to fine-tune the results. Now let's go over to Mac and mobile operating systems.
Mobile operating systems. Like computers and laptops, mobile devices use operating systems to function. The two operating systems used by mobile devices are Android and iOS. Android is an open-source Linux-based operating system developed by Open Handset Alliance, which is primarily driven by Google. iOS. It is a closed-source Unix-based operating system for Apple's iPhone and iPad devices. Unlike Android, Apple's iOS source code was not released to the public. Applications. Apps are the programs that are executed on mobile devices. Apps are written and compiled for a specific mobile operating system. Apple uses a walled garden model for their apps. On the other hand, Android runs in a sandbox and has only the privileges enabled by the user. Much like desktops and laptops, mobile devices organize icons and widgets on multiple screens for easy access. Examples of these are the navigation icons, notification system icons, and others. Options such as screen orientation, screen calibration, and GPS can also be seen in these devices. Aside from these, functions such as Wi-Fi calling is also possible in mobile devices. Wi-Fi calling is very useful in areas with poor cellular coverage. Mobile OS has antivirus implementation as well. Because similar to laptops and desktops, mobile devices are also vulnerable to malwares. But on the bright side, mobile devices also have firewalls to protect themselves with. Rooting and jailbreaking. Mobile and operating systems are usually protected by a number of software restrictions. Rooting and jailbreaking are two methods of removing these software restrictions. They enable superuser or root administration permissions. These two methods can heavily customize the GUI